Hi everybody, welcome to this new video. I am Arfa and I'm going to talk about Tailwind Create today. Well, I have been using Tailwind for a lot of time now, but the new feature Tailwind Create is a really cool one. It allows to create lots of pins and make the pin designing process a little faster. So we are going to learn today how to design pins right from Tailwind and directly schedule them. So if you haven't yet signed up for Tailwind, simply do that by clicking the link below. So as you can see, we have Tailwind Create on our Tailwind dashboard, and this is the Publisher tab. So you can simply just use this to create lots of pin. And so if you haven't yet signed up for Tailwind Create, you can simply do that by clicking in the link below and get 100 free pins to schedule. And you can also enjoy a free trial when you plan to upgrade. Okay, so let's get started with Tailwind Create. This is the dashboard. I'm just showing it to you. This is the Publisher tab. This is the Tailwind Create we are going to work on. This is basically the area we are going to work on. So you can simply set the brand preferences and your colors here. So let's continue. Um, okay. Now this is the window where you're going to get started with your designing, and this is the destination link, whatever link or whatever blog post uh, you want to add to Pinterest. So you'll have a link for that. You are going to add the link here. I've already choosing a post here, so I'm just adding a URL here, right here. This is a post about creating Pinterest images, and I'm choosing the title myself for the image. So the post contains different tips, 27. I have just added the URL here, and now I'm going to add the title, 27 easy tips to create Pinterest images, Pinterest images that get clicks and share that get clicks and saves. Okay, so I'm going to I can either upload a photo, I can add stock photo here, or I can just upload using my own photo, resized images, or wherever you put your photos, right? Yeah. So what Tailwind Create offers is that you can actually select multiple photos, so that way you can just use different photos for your pins, right? So for example, I was here and I can just um, use another pin, whatever I want to use. Yes, and that way you will have a variety of photos for your single Pinterest image, and I find it really cool. Yes, so I have added 3 pins, um, and three photos here. And moving on, you will have to create images. Okay, now this is really the fun part. I really enjoy it because you can just play around all those designs and choose whatever you want to choose and just save it, or if you want to download it you can, but the best is to just save it and schedule it right away. It is as easy as that. Okay, now um, okay, this is the color palette I preferred. Now, emphasize number in title, I've added it. Yes, this is where you can decide the website or brand name, logo, or no branding at all. I definitely recommend you to do branding, and that includes your website name or your logo, whatever you prefer. I prefer to use my website name here, that she means blogging.com. So that is what I add everywhere. But if you want to add your logo, you can just add your logo here, and easy it is. So many fonts out there. These all these fonts give you a different idea of how do you want your image to look like. Okay, so this is where the text go. Okay, so this is the interesting part. You can see there is an option of add subtitle and add call to action. I highly recommend you to use this feature because this add more detail to your Pinterest image. So now we have our title text, subtitle text, and the call to action text. Now we can see a lot of designs over here, and they just go on. Now another cool feature is that you can add content filters to this one. And for example, you can change the content type. I'm keeping blog post here. You can change the industry or your blogging niche basically. You can even change the pin format over here. And I am doing the list roundup. We have a bunch of pin designs for one single pin. So imagine using the same technique to design so many pins quickly and easily. So this is what Tailwind Create does for you, and that's it. You can now review your selection, select the design you want to keep, and remember that you can always make changes to these designs. For example, I select this one, and I select this one, and I've selected two of these designs, and that's it. Now I press go schedule and the pins are ready to schedule. Okay, thanks for watching.